ma'am.
Why? Well,
Same. I keep same codes, ma'am.
okay. So you did the same coding that we did for ballerina.
Yes, ma'am.
So why it is not dancing? You changed the X and Y position of ballerina or not? Sorry, cursor.
I changed, ma'am.
You changed X and Y position.
Ma'am, it has to be both in both same, ma'am.
It has what?
It has to be both same, ma'am.
Same also, but just think now, same direction they will not work now. If you go on right side and your brother will go right side, so you will collect.
Ma'am,
Yes.
he is not dancing now. There is any problem with go to XY position? There is problem with that.
Maybe.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's wait 2-3 minutes for Alicia and Kas. For that time, think that if you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Ma'am,
Don't tell me now. Just think if you could have a superpower, what will you do with that power? Don't tell me right now. Tell me when both of them come. Okay? We'll wait till 6:30. Then we'll start.
okay, ma'am. I am superhero means first of all I will explore all the world.
Okay. And what about you, Swastik?
Ma'am, please tell one time more what you have asked.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Ma'am, flying.
Okay. Okay.
And super boost beams.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, both of you said well. Okay, if I have a superpower, so I will go to that world in which too many dogs were there because I love dogs. Some mathematical operation. But before we start, let's see how good you are in maths. So to check your math skill, I have one jigsaw puzzle for you. Let's see how. Okay, which is your favorite subject, Rana?
Maths and science, ma'am.
Okay, Swastik.
Ma'am, mathematics.
Okay. So Sam also loves math so much that even in his dream he solved math problem. Okay, so do you also like solving math problem?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Rana?
Yes, ma'am. I like.
You also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Swastik? Can you repeat?
And when I search like goods.
There are two robots.
Yes, ma'am.
Retro robot. Choose the retro robot.
Okay, ma'am.
Swastik, can you say something? White color from the color palette. Okay. Select the fill tool from the toolbox and fill it at the center of the button. You can see by coming to the Lido classroom. Easily identify and press the button for an operation that we want to perform. Okay, tell me, both of you, it's question for both of you, go with the raise hand. Can you tell me 4 basic operation we do in maths? Yes, Rana?
Ma'am, I learn addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Those
Subtraction, addition and
multiplication, ma'am.
multiplication.
Those I got this gift 1 week, 2 weeks ago. This is a pen I had got from Android Launchpad program ma'am.
Okay, good. So the user might get confused about where to store his answer, but no need to be confused because we already created a variable as a number 1 to store the value of the first number. Okay, so hence we will store our answer into variable number 1. So let's see how we can do this. Now
Ma'am.
click on green flag. First zoom this. Yeah.
First number. Now I want 26 plus 2. 90 means 90 plus 1 or just 90 we have to type, ma'am.
First do one thing. First go to the first number, type 80.
80, ma'am. Okay. 80 and next select, ma'am. 80 plus 1 like that. No, not there, no, ma'am.
First click on first type 80, then click on plus.
Ma'am, now I will start here. Okay, now 90.
Answer is written before that. Can you click on this red? Can you do this thing again? All.
Stop, ma'am. Stopping.
Stop this. Yes.
Ma'am, still the answer is stored. Via
Is it working?
5. Oh no. 1 minute. Oh, 6. Okay, ma'am. 5 into 6 and clicking here and answer is showing 0, ma'am. 5 into 6.
Sorry, red button. Do it again.
Okay, ma'am. I will stop now. Again.
Now type 5.
5.
Not work so. Now go with any number you want.
Now, now here
Mama, type only 5 here. Type 5.
5. Okay, ma'am.
Now click on this tick arrow. Select your operation and click on the equal to button. Now click on plus.
Ma'am, plus 1 minute, ma'am. I will show my blocks for plus this 60%. Correct 60%, ma'am.
Correct are 60%.
Yes, ma'am. 60%.
Good. Improving. So good. Let's just